Hi everyone, today we're going to make another simple and nourishing steamed dish, steamed minced pork with dried squid and mushrooms. There are many variations of this Chinese style steamed dish, but this one's by far my favorite. The meat is tender, juicy, slightly springy, it's savoury, full of umami and just so tasty. So let's get started. Two ingredients that's going to add a lot of umami flavour to the dish. One is this dried squid. First you need to wash and then soak the dried squid for about 10 to 15 minutes until it softens. There's this plasticky strip along the body, you need to remove that and remove the eyes from the tentacles. Then cut the dried squid into small cubes. Another ingredient is this mushroom. Cut the dried mushrooms into small cubes. Just note that you need to pre-soak the mushrooms and squeeze out all the excess water. This is actually my dad's recipe, but he uses only dried squid and mushrooms. I'm going to add water chestnuts. It's going to add sweetness and a lovely crunch to the dish. First cut off the head and the bottom bit, then use a peeler and peel off the skin. Cut the water chestnuts in half, then cut into small cubes. Now let's prep the minced pork. Add some salt, light soy sauce, minced garlic, abalone sauce. The abalone sauce is totally optional. It just adds another layer of flavour to the dish. Some water, it's going to help loosen the meat. Then cornstarch, this helps bind and soften the meat. Mix in one direction until you get a sticky paste. Now add the mushrooms, water chestnut, dried squid. Mix well. Now just add a bit of oil to lock in the moisture. Then transfer to a heat-proof plate. Spread it out evenly so that the meat cooks at the same time. Once the water comes to a boil, steam the meat on high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. The steam time depends on the thickness of the meat and also the heat of your stove. Okay, it's done. It smells so good. Garnish with some coriander. Smells so good. Let me try this. This is so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends. See you in the next one.